Good morning, everyone. Thanks for being here. You are at the Topical Employment webinar from the Healthcare Authority and the Division of Behavioral Health and Recovery. And we have individuals from the state of Washington Department of Commerce here today that are going to be doing the presentation on earned income tax credit in the state of Washington. I will tell you that this is being recorded, and we'll also tell you that the slides will be sent out after the fact, along with the recording link in case folks your colleagues have missed this presentation and want to see it. You're welcome to share. So having said that, I am going to turn it over to Karen Dunn, and thank you for being here.
Good morning, everyone. This is Karen Dunn, and I do work for the Department of Commerce in Olympia. Currently, Department of Commerce resides in my home, however, in Lacey, but I'm in Olympia. And on the phone with me is Stephanie Bowman. She actually works for the Washington Asset Building Coalition. She's the executive director. And I'm just going to go to the next slide, and we're just going to introduce ourselves real quickly. Stephanie, I'll let you go first.
Sure. Good morning, and thank you everybody for taking the time this morning to join us. Again, my name is Stephanie Bowman, and I serve as the executive director of the Washington State Asset Building Coalition. It's an organization you probably haven't heard of, but we work in 17 different counties in Washington State, and our job is to help low-income communities and families build assets so that they have a better economic future. And we've always been proud to partner with the Department of Commerce on a variety of programs, and excited to talk to you today about some new resources available.
Great. And again, I'm Karen Dunn, and I am actually the program manager for the Community Services Block Grant and Asset Building programs. Some may not know what Community Services Block Grant is, but it also is a funding stream that's federal and state that helps low-income individuals and families across the state to become successful, I think, in their lives and find employment. There's different resources available through housing, employment, nutrition, a variety of different ways that this grant helps individuals, and that's done through 30 community action agencies across the state that we directly contract with. So I'm going to just pop to the next slide really quick, and legally I think I have to show you this slide because the Department of Commerce requires me to, so I'm just going to briefly show you this, which is the 8 different strengths that we like to talk about in Department of Commerce, how we help communities across the nation, across the nation, we're not that powerful, across the state. And the one where the Community Services Block Grant and Asset Building, where I work for, we reside under the Community Services one, which is that lower right-hand corner. The other things that we do, though, we're pretty broad and do a lot of different things: energy, infrastructure, business assistance. We have a lot of different attributes to our agency. Okay, I'm going to pump this up, let Stephanie take it from here for this point, and we'll continue on.
Excellent. So we wanted to start off with telling you the things that we were hoping that you will come away with today. The first is an understanding of what asset building is and how that relates to the great work that you do. The second is increased knowledge of available resources, especially the earned income tax credit, but we've got a couple more that we want to talk to you about that could be available to help your clients and maybe even you. And then the third is really hoping that with these resources, you come away feeling a little more supported and have a renewed enthusiasm for your work. And I just wanted to say from the beginning how much we all appreciate the work that you all do as case managers. It's a really tough job, and you are at the intersection of helping people move forward on the most important thing in their life, which is their health. But we know that health isn't the only thing. Once you have your health, you need to have supportive housing, you need to have an income, financial stability, and that's the work that the Department of Commerce does in conjunction with us. Next slide, please. So I wanted to talk with you a little bit about